Politricks, but this is Sir P. Now, today, going back to the whole Phillip Paulwell thing. Mind that thing to yourself. You gone back there, so? Yes. Right, we gone back there, so. 10-month old, waiting, we were just going to move on to the next hot topic. No, we have a whole heap of questions. And we know we probably have them too. Today, I'm going to ask some questions, right? I might title the video 5 questions or something like that, but a whole heap of questions I have. It's just too spooky. We can start it off. The narrative that Leona Bradshaw is just jealous over Paulwell and woman. And baby mother and baby. Doesn't make sense because everybody knows that Phillip Paulwell is not exactly, one of them traditional, conservative type of figure there. Right? They man the thing loose in the streets. If she go kill woman for being involved with Phillip Paulwell, she'd have go kill all kind of people. Right? Body that drop like fly. Right? Why Miss Patterson? And why VR baby? Phillip Paulwell have other children. Other quote unquote baby mothers. Why them? Why them alone trigger quote unquote jealousy? She had a baby with Paulwell 8 years ago. In that 8 years there, amount of people come and go. But this go happen now because just jealous over something that's not right. Remember, she contacted Tashina and told her to go do a DNA test. Very interesting. Go do DNA test. Wouldn't Paulwell have to go know about this DNA test too? Just find it spooky. There's some questions me ask him. When I go say, see, I just him not like politics, and that's why I try fight against Paulwell like how you fight against artists and scammer. Just ask some question. If she go tell, because she have to go do DNA. Paulwell, she and Paulwell have to go have a conversation too, because she have to go say, you go do the DNA too. Right? You don't know nothing about this DNA test where the other send. Right? Does she have to go do? And why is the baby mother telling woman to go do DNA? Isn't that something normally the man, right? Say, isn't that something a man want to know? If I'm a youth, why would the baby mother, right, the next baby mother say, go and go to DNA? Probably know about this DNA test. But we'll laugh on that DNA thing. I'll come up more on this later in the video. Based on the post, we get finance and say exchange going up on social media, people get all blocked. And they would have fly down Iron Man the very next day. Didn't they say this woman is in the Navy or something? Or she just left the work, gone fly down so? Right. Just tell the Navy, say, yo, me a cut in because I have to go boxing a girl like Iron Man right now because I girl I take my man. Is that what she wrote on her leave application form with the Navy? I don't know. Just take leave in 24 hours just so. Let me say one more question. Lest we forget, Phillip Paulwell said somebody was trying to extort him for money. People hack him bank account. And was threatening to expose him. Expose what? Same phone get cloned, bank account get hacked. He never went into any details, by the way. Just some vague things. My bank account got hacked and a substantial amount got hacked. His bank account got hacked. Okay. This story came out September 4th. Now, the exchange between Bradshaw and Patterson, that's the two baby mother them, took place September 5th. By September 6th, Bradshaw dropped a Ironman, ready to start the murder mission. Let me repeat the timeline. The story come out in the media out of nowhere. Right. So Phillip Paulwell, somebody had threatened to expose him. Right. This came out September the 4th. Or at least me see September the 4th. If you look on your screen, you see September 4th. Right. September 5th, the exchange took place. September 6th, Bradshaw dropped an Iron Man. No man, she have dead. Very interesting, no? Mr. Paulwell, very interesting timeline there, so. Somebody had threatened to expose you. Paulwell went on to say, somebody had told him, say, they must give him, or he must give them 50,000 US to a Nigerian account. Cut the crap. Right. Like, we all know the whole Nigerian scammer emails and things. No man does attack. So a Nigerian scammer hack Phillip Paulwell bank account, WhatsApp, and email, and tell him to send 50,000 US to a Nigerian account. Alright. According to, and this is, again, the papers. Right. I quote, according to Paulwell, he contacted the local police while people in the United States who were threatened by the extortionists reported the matter to American law enforcement agencies, end quote. Make a wheel and come again. So this Nigerian scammer hacked Paulwell phone, photos, WhatsApp, this a few words, and how much years of email. Right. And him said him reported to the local police, which would be area police, and quote-unquote people in the United States who were also threatened to get exposed. Reported the matter to American law. Who's people in America? Where did Leo Bradshaw fly down from? America. So, somebody contacted Paulwell and somebody with America and basically said, me know this, me have this, alright, remember this is this. The fourth that come out. I'm not saying at the fourth it happened, but at the fourth he dropped 9 papers. So this Nigerian scammer got into Paulwell's bank account. Quote unquote, hack it. See, this is what happened, you know. When people take on the feed that, you know. Man just telling anything. And, oh yeah, they tried to hack me and they said I should send some money to Nigeria. 50,000 US. They never go, boy, you know, said the Nigerian, they bad pan this scamming, you know. Boy, look what they do, Paulwell. The man said the person had his email, WhatsApp. They hack it. And get everything that come out in the papers for a reason. Right. Just look on the timeline now, man. It's too spooky. Way too spooky. He reported to Iran and quote unquote people in the United States. The very next day there's an exchange between two baby mothers them. And in the day after that, Bradshaw Richard Ironman link up with the city youth. Come, we go kill Phillip Pitney. And man hear it and say, yeah, alright. Question number 3. Which 87? Right. I go shot and kill Phillip Paulwell Pitney for $500,000. Which 87? I go shot and kill. See, only thing say 87, right? Or just these people just go, oh, kill a smart day, alright, me gone. And that's it work. I saw upon the recordings, when you hear a black man, they have a problem with the MP. Denise, I think her name was. Right. You want to kill her, did one. He had all these murderers at his disposal. And my somebody when he hate and want to get rid of. Black man, the black dog. Right. But he never carry out that hit there. Right? Killing an MP. Killing an MP daughter. 500,000. One of the people who involved, right, is related to Laura Bradshaw. So it's be very unlikely to know the story. Now, you could argue that maybe them never know who for pitting them about kill. That's a possibility. But 500,000? Right. This is something well planned out and contrary to popular belief. Right. When them kind of hit their go down, right, man a go on know who them a go for. Right. That question is important because it might be somebody, right, who, right, might get into some serious problem even as a 87. Right. $500,000. Right. But I'm not saying there's not 87s who wouldn't do it. But that the pressure that will come down upon you for killing Phillip, Paulwell, right, Pitney. $500,000. Such gruesome deaths are not typical in contract killings. It's very personal. Shot the Pitney, shot the woman, burned the body. Very extreme. Very extreme. That kind of extreme jealousy that would make somebody so murderous and vicious wouldn't just be for one babe mother and one Pitney. A couple of them supposed to go missing by now. Spooky. Next thing will puzzle me. She traveled to Ireland, right, to go sort out the killing. Why? She never did that. Unless this woman is some kind of sick deviant, right, will get off on watching babies get murdered or want they close to. And by the way, the other Bradshaw was a Navy chef. Just putting down there because people make it sound like she dark, she in the Navy, so she's like she wasn't a Navy SEAL. She was a quote-unquote culinary specialist. Still a Navy personnel, but yeah, people love hype up the yeah bro, and then because probably can like fire a shot from 10 miles and like kill somebody. Like, let's take this serious here. This is, we're not even a Navy SEAL here. And based on how sloppy she is, you can tell, man. Obviously, she spent most of her time in the kitchen than on the battlefield. It's very sloppy. Even by contract killing standards, it's very sloppy. Man, the trail where she left behind, she might as well take a picture and then put over it, I did it. Right? Or I was a part of it. Now I want to know, think about this. When the little girl got missing, a couple days after Phillip Paulwell put out, say it was a $500,000 reward. Man, for them. 500,000. Now people are upset with me right now. But watching you, I mean, people are always upset about something. Phillip Paulwell, Mr. Big Shot MP, then a politics before Wappy. Born much less for kill Philo. Your baby mother and your Pitney gone missing. And you put up $500,000. Even people who don't have nothing piece together and find $1 million for reward. And Phillip Paulwell put up $500,000 for baby mother and Pitney. And spookily enough, it turns out that the contract killer them, that's a $500,000 run. That's a 500. That's awfully coincidental. No, me can't hear you. See, now I'm going down the line of the conspiracy theory. I'm just saying. Phillip Paulwell put up $500,000 for his missing baby mother and child. And then, where you say, the contract killers them repaid $500,000. So, the man and the woman were supposedly there. I saw the two of them love $500,000. That's one, put up the money there for missing, right? Baby mother and pick, and the next one put up the money there to kill. The same figure that was put up for information to get back the missing baby mother was the same figure put up to kill the missing. You don't find that weird? Oh, okay. I just want to bring me. But he said, stop bad mind, Paulwell. I just threw me love fight against Paulwell. Okay. Paulwell said people are trying to take money from him. How long ago did Phillip Paulwell know that baby? What's his? Right. How long did the woman truly find out say it was his? Why would your baby mother or go send the next baby mother to go to DNA? I don't know about that. And the baby mother fly down. So me see one baby mother fly down. One baby mother who just so happen to then find out about the next one. Then fly down and then one go missing. This man actually, so he might get started by Nigerian scammers who want 50,000 US. After them done hack him see them hack him bank account and take how much money on it. And then after them, so them hack him and clean him out, but then they're like, oh, by the way, send me 50,000. Why would they need you to send 50,000 after them done hack you and empty your bank account? When they not sell unicorn link. When una say, this is just at the deputy, man, corrections, boss way. Him say kill himself. Him say go over the precipice and kill himself. Go over the precipice, come out in vehicle. And then when una tell them kind of unicorn story, link the man who have the unicorn business. Because phony unicorn them are some knockoff. He's just a horse with a cone on its head. Something right there, so. Even the whole response to the painting go missing and the statement, it's just not believable. You can call me a pessimist if you want. I'm just not feeling it. Even the whole, who could do this to her? Your baby mother is at least apartheid. Right now, what we want to know is to the extent to where the conspiracy go. Right, from the 4th to the 5th to the 6th. Right. From the unicorn story about the hacking to the conversation between Bradshaw and Patterson the 5th to the fly down on the 6th. Right, to linking the youth. Right, Roland. So then get. This is the next thing. I almost forgot. Which part of them dump the bodies? I wonder if people know how big Phillip Paulwell is in their constituency and even around Ironman. So them never know Phillip Paulwell picnic, but them go dump the bodies them there so. 87s now run them joke there, Phillip Paulwell picnic. Posting man and say go kill the general daughter, the big man daughter, the boss daughter. What now say to me? For that get signed off, man. Man have to get certain assurances. I'm gonna know if Lord Bradshaw and $500,000, you know. But I'm say, take me to that grain of salt. I am notorious, right, for bad minding politicians, scammers and artists and people there, and fighting against them because I'm jealous. So I'm say, take me to that grain of salt. You know my thing already. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.